Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, will show you how to test a radio speaker on Mazda, guys. If you have a Mazda, any Mazda, we'll show you how to test a radio speaker. Stay with us and we'll demonstrate a good and a bad speaker and how to know, okay, if the speaker needs to be replaced for sure, or if you have a short somewhere in the system or the radio is not sending a signal. So we're demonstrating on a CX-5, but the procedure is the same for any speaker, guys. Now, what do you need to do? On the back side of your speaker, okay, you're going to notice that you have an ohm reading. Okay, this one is 4 ohms. So what happens now? Okay, we have to get a voltmeter. Okay, right here we have an ohm meter. We're going to set it to the lowest settings, 4 ohms, up to 200, because all we need is 4. If the speaker is blown, it's going to show no connection like that one, and we'll demonstrate on a better one. Make sure you stay until the end. We're going to connect the alligator clips to each of the wires here and see what is happening with the thing. It shows, okay, 4 ohms, 3.9, which is very close. So this is definitely, guys, a good speaker. Now, what is going to happen if we put this one on a blown speaker? Check it out now. It will just say what? Okay, it's not, there is no communication at all. So that's how you guys can tell if the speaker, okay, is good or not. Sometimes, guys, okay, let me show you again on this one. When we connect it, it shows 4. So sometimes if one of the speaker doesn't work, okay, it can deactivate the other speaker. For example, if the rear left speaker doesn't work, it might turn off the rear right. So it doesn't mean that you have 2 bad speakers, only one could be bad. And by testing it, you can figure out which one. Also, if you have an aftermarket radio, that way, guys, you'll be able to figure out exactly, okay, where your problem is. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please, guys, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.